Hello everyone, welcome to Hooplakidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome DIY Rainbow Glitter Fidget Spinner. Isn't that cool? So let's get started. For this we need several bottle tops, but I'm starting with one. I'm going to make a hole in the top, and then I'm going to put a cocktail stick through it, like so. We now need 3 more bottle tops, and we're going to glue them together using a hot glue gun. Perfect. There we have it. Now we're going to take a coin and we're going to glue it into each of the outside bottle caps. And this is what gives the fidget spinner its weight. You can use 1 penny or 1 cent. It doesn't make a difference. Now I'm going to take another bottle cap and use it as a template to cut out some cardboard. This is going to be the top for each of the side fidget spinner bits. I'm using some glittery card, and I'm cutting a hole in the center so that the cocktail stick will fit through. This is for my central one. I'm gluing it on. Now I'm using the hot glue gun to do the same on the side bits. We're going to decorate, so it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Great. Looking good already. So now we're going to take our cocktail stick and put it in the middle. We're going to add a little bit of glue around it. And then we're going to add some glitter. This is the fun bit. We now get to repeat this process, and I'm using different coloured glitter to create a rainbow effect. First I've got red, then pink. Now I'm adding some more glue to the side bits, and I'm adding purple glitter. Then we've got blue and green, and this is what it looks like. Super cool, huh? So now we need some red foam. I'm creating the pads that our fingers will touch when we're spinning our fidget spinner. We need 4 circles, so create 4 templates and cut them out. Keep going. My foam has a sticky back, but you can use glue as well. We want to put 2 of them together so we've got double thickness. Trim away any excess edge. Now we're going to cover these in glitter, so add a layer of glue and then add the glitter. Next we're going to add them to our fidget spinner. I'm starting on the top. Next I'm going to take the scissors and cut off the excess cocktail stick. And then glue our foam to that. This means when I hold the foam, the fidget spinner will spin around it. Cool, huh? And there you have it. That's how you make your very own DIY Rainbow Glitter Fidget Spinner. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Mini Shrink Pendants. These are amazing and so much fun to do. So first up you're going to need some cutouts, a hole punch, some coloured markers, and some shrink plastic. Let's start with Hello Kitty. I'm using my cutout as a template, and now I'm placing the shrink plastic on top and simply outlining where I can see lines. I'm using a black to do the outline. It's super easy. There you have it, we have Hello Kitty. I'm going to go over it just to make sure that it's thick. Looking good. Perfect. Now it's time to color in the colors. Of course we need to color Kitty's bow pink. I'm also going to color in her little dress. You don't have to use a template if you don't want to. If you want to draw it yourself, that's absolutely fine. You can get creative. The next step is to cut out Kitty. Perfect. I'm using a hole punch to punch a hole in her ear. Now let's make a Peppa Pig. I'm not doing my outline first. I'm going to color Pepper in with light pink. Now I'm doing her dress. And finally, I'm going to use a dark pink pen to do the outline. Finally, I'm using black. And that's going to be for her eyes and her shoes. We want to repeat exactly the same process as we did with Kitty. So cut out Pepper and then punch a hole in her. Now the magic is about to happen. Pop the shrink plastic onto some foil and pop it in an oven. You should follow the instructions on your shrink plastic, but this is amazing. Look at it shrink. Isn't that cool? It goes really tiny. It is super cute and it's immediate. Amazing. Doesn't Kitty look cool? Let's see Daddy Pig shrink. Oh, it looks like he's gonna curl up, but he doesn't. This is so much fun to watch. And there he is. And look at Peppa go. Super cute. You can make as many different mini shrink pendants as you like. I've also done some Shopkins. Here's George and Mummy Pig. They're so tiny. Don't they look great? These are really cute. You can attach them to a key ring. I have a little silver hoop that I'm putting through the hole we made. Then you can attach it to a key ring properly. Perfect! These are so much fun. Why don't you attach yours to a necklace? This would be a great present for your friends. And you can draw whatever you want. Today I'm going to show you how to make Fanta jelly surprises. That's right, it sounds amazing, doesn't it? And it is so much fun. And better than that, it's super simple. Doesn't this look awesome? That is all frozen. Check it out. This Fanta bottle has been sitting in my freezer for ages. It is frozen solid. I've taken off the lid and you can see. Now the exciting part is that there are some surprises in the bottom of it. So how are we going to get there? Let's slice the bottom of the plastic off. This is kind of like an Easter egg. We're having to unwrap it carefully to see what's inside. You might need to get your parents' help to do this. I'm going once around the bottom and then down the middle. I can't wait to see what's inside. Be careful though, we don't want to cut the ice. Look, you can see the plastic peeling back. Amazing! We're nearly there. Let's carefully unwrap it. Amazing! It's a Fanta bottle, but there's no bottle. That's just frozen Fanta inside. Isn't that cool? Now let's cut it up. This way we can see what the surprises are inside. No surprises there. We're going to have to keep cutting. I think I can see some poking out at the bottom. There they are, they're in there. But I can't get to them yet. There's nothing in here. That's all frozen Fanta. Isn't that cool? So now I've got a bowl of warm water and I'm going to melt the frozen Fanta to reveal our amazing Fanta Jelly surprise toys. What is there? I can't wait to find out. Come on, come on. I'm starting to get a peek. Can you recognize any of the toys? It's starting to break apart. Who have we got? Look! It's Agnes from Despicable Me. Super cute. But there were a couple more toys. Who else have we got? Look! It's Mermaid Kelp from La La Loopsy Land. So cute. And finally, we have one more surprise. It's Pet Mouse from La La Loopsy Land. That was so much fun. Fanta Jelly surprise toys. That's all in a Fanta bottle. Unbelievable. I bet you can make these yourself at home. Have so much fun doing it, and we'll see you again next time, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye!